Hello, this is Ronnie. I am back here with a clip concerning the action in gold and silver taken from a very long video, 78 minutes video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. Since my channel is posting 304 followers, I decided to reintroduce my special offer. This time I'm going to keep it running just for 2 weeks, and that's going to be your last chance before the summer. In the summer I don't believe I will run any offer, so if you are interested, do take a look. I will provide all the details after the clip ends. Hope to see you later. Enjoy the clip. Bye now. Okay, that's gold. That's the weekly. And we mentioned the Brexit vote. I said that apart from the upheavals that are likely to occur now in the forex market, gold could also be on the act here. And I see gold as potentially taking off because of their political uncertainty, in my opinion, which will be terribly heightened by a Brexit win. Now, if England Britain decides to pull out of the European Union, it's a sea change. It will be so such a new world, if you like, that often we are seeing gold as a safe haven in times of trouble, or is perceived as a safe haven, and people rush to gold when uncertainty is increasing, especially political uncertainty. And we could have the situation now, a perfect recipe for an explosion in the price of gold, and the structure that could support that, apart from now the introduction that I had about the Brexit vote, I see a possible coincidence of these two elements. We will terminate a second wave. I'm taking this the first leg up, as it managed on the weekly, it managed to pierce, to run above the previous high and actually give us clear 5 legs in doing so, yes? So at this point in time, my preferred reading is to treat all of that as a potential 1 or 1. That's 2, that's 1. If the market is ready, that is your second wave in process right now. And around the time that we will see the Brexit vote declared, or is in process overnight on Thursday, on Friday, or even already on Wednesday evening, we could see a momentous move here. And my idea of a 3 of 3 will be confirmed on an absolute, and it's really got to do it, yeah? It's got to absolutely fly through 1316, I mean the previous high. It's got to do it in an impasse way. If it does it in an impasse way, it shoots above, then I'm going to settle on this wave count being the correct one. That's 1 2, yeah, or 1 2 1 2 will be flying up in a third wave, and that's going to carry for a long way. Yes, we're going to shoot above the previous resistance that we have seen here, 1350, 1400s. I think this time we're going to break above all that. Yeah, it's going to run up, and I told you I don't know in the panic that is going to follow. I just don't know how far it's going to go, but the first line of major overhead resistance comes at just under 1550. Do you see that? Right here. It's not inconceivable at all that it'll shoot there in just a few weeks. Okay, so please be prepared for that. I'll show you now the clear level. That is now the daily, and you see it run up here and completed, as far as I can see, completed a nice 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5. We got potentially first leg up, and I put here the Fibonacci's to see in the event of a correction. I think a correction could take us down towards 1240 area. The 0.618 is at 1244. It's coinciding with horizontal support right here. Do you see that? Horizontal support, and of course you have the 50 coming up, the 50 on the daily. So it's possible the correction might be briefer than that. I mean, it won't go that far. Might actually spike intraday under the 50 and then bounce back. The point is to see if we get clear 5 legs down. We get clear 5 legs down. Let's see now the 60 minutes. This is the process, in my opinion, of the correction as we are looking at it unfolding. That was the top, clearly marked here. That is presumably our A. We had an ABCX. I think that's another A. I won't be surprised if we spend a bit of time here, but the point is that we shouldn't go above this level so soon. Okay, we are probably going to reverse at some point after we complete the B and C, the tiny BC, and then we want to see a plunge under 1275 area around here, a plunge that will take the shape of clear 5 legs. Let's try to sort of visualize a perfect situation here, something like that. Okay, something like that, and that gives you clear ABC. That I think could do the trick, could actually finish the correction. That is the 50% retracement, which is around here. It comes at 1258 or so. Okay, it might actually just do that, yes, without necessarily going all the way back to 1240 or 1245. But as soon as it comes back and it jumps above this level, starts building a base here, and that's going to take a few hours, yes, and it starts marching higher in a panic way, in an absolutely crazy way, then you know this is something that nobody can stop. Nobody in the world is going to stop that. It's going to fly above 13.15. It's just going to go nuts. It could go up by $50, $100 on the Brexit vote, and the panic that is going to follow if we have a Brexit win. Yeah, sure, I can see this one flying above 13.15. Now here's silver, that's the daily, and silver is basically supporting the same wave count. In fact, it's a lot clearer. That is taken as a 1, 2, and the 5 legs that we have seen here could indeed constitute the first leg of the third wave in red. Do you see that? Now I'll go to the 60 minutes, and this is the entire structure with all the details. 60 minutes, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, terminated here. That's my A. I drew here for you an idealized shape of a B. It really looks to me like it's going in this direction. Okay, that definitely looks like a build up of a B, and that will be perfect. We go down to 16.8 or so, or maybe slightly lower. We bounce back in an impulse way above 17.2, and it starts rallying. You want to be long. Silver is going to take off like a rocket. Silver is going to take off. It's going to take your breath away. This is an inverse head and shoulders. We are coming back, second challenge to the presumed neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. It's going to fly above 18. I think it's going to scheme through 20, running towards 22 and potentially 24. That's going to be quite a thing. Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with some explanation concerning my special offer. You have to go on my website, thewavemastery.com, and you can find the special offer either through the subscribe here page or through the resources. You have to scroll down towards special promotional offer. Do you see that? So that takes you to the page itself. You can see the offer will expire on the 19th of June, and you do get a chance to have a trial for just €1. Okay, whether you take the daily service or the weekend service. By the way, the daily service includes the weekend service, so you don't have to subscribe to both. If you take just the daily, you're going to get access to the weekend service. Read through the explanations. This is basically €1 for 1 week for the daily video service. You get every day a video. Okay, and if you do it today, you will of course get access to the long video that I just recorded, and then each day during the week you will hear from me with an email alerting you when I post a fresh video. The price is basically cut down by half. Okay, there is a VAT for those who are from various European countries. Those from the UK, US, and elsewhere do not pay. It's mainly a European issue. You can see here you have to select the country that applies in your case. Okay, if you don't see your country, you just scroll down. If you are from the UK, US or Belgium or elsewhere, you don't pay any VAT. So you just get the net price 79, okay, 79 per month. If you like to go for the Wave Mastery weekend video, that will be 2 weeks for just €1. And if you like it, you like to stay on, again, this is half price, you see, basically just 29 per month. Again, the VAT issue. The offer is good for the trial plus 12 months. That means that if you take the trial and the end of the 7 days or 12 days or the 2 weeks in the case of the weekend video service, you like to stay on, then your card will be charged for 12 consecutive months. Yes, as long as you stay a subscriber, yeah, every month you will be charged. And at the end of the 12th month, the offer basically expires for the 50% off. If you don't have a PayPal account, you don't like to use PayPal for whatever reason, there is a way that we can find for you a solution that you can pay, but the best is really that you pay through PayPal. That is really the best way. This is the only payment service that I use on my website. Okay, so in short, again, I want to show you quickly. You go on my website, okay, wavemastery.com. You can get the link either through here. Okay, so you click on subscribe here, and please pay attention. You have to use this link. Don't use any of the links below because they are not a special offer. So you're going to end up paying the full price. Okay, you are interested in the special offer, so you go here, you click on that, and you get the page of the special offer. There are quite a lot of articles and things that could be of interest to you. Is this website for me? Psychology and trading, trading in the arts, white journal, etc. Services. There's a free clip service, but it is essentially the same thing that I provide on my channel, the YouTube channel. Under resources, there are lots and lots of charts. Under charts galore 2, some useful links, recommended reading list, and the usual stuff. Yes. If you have any problem, don't hesitate, contact me. You click on that, you put your email, make sure you write it properly. I had people contacting me, giving me the wrong email. I try to get back to them, and of course I don't succeed. I keep getting mail delivery default, etc. So please pay attention. You put your right email so I can get back to you. You name the message. You have to just do this little calculation here, submit, and I get it straight. If you have any issue, any question, don't hesitate. If you run into the slightest problem during the subscription procedure, or you have a question before you want to take the subscription, etc., don't hesitate. Just contact me. I am based in Europe, in Belgium. So if I don't reply to you immediately, if you are in the US or in Australia, it's not that I am not going to reply. It's just that I might be sleeping, just having a bit of rest. Okay. So as soon as I see your email, of course, I'll get in touch with you. So that's basically it. If you go on the website, the front page, there are more things for you to explore. I have a few clips here that describe in general my analytical approach, range of markets that I cover. I've got here also more charts that you can run through. It's very interesting. It gives you many examples of various markets in different years, weekly, daily, monthly, whatever. Okay, and you can also print them. If you're interested to see it in full scale mode, you've got to put it on the title and make sure you see the hand. Okay, otherwise it doesn't open up. If you click on the title, then it opens up big, and you can either print it or you can scan it. You can do what you want. Okay. Okay, so that's basically the offer, and would love to hear from you. It's your chance to try out my service. For the €1, you can't go wrong. Can't see how you can go wrong with €1. With all the fees that are included in it, I basically get just maybe 20 cents. So it's really not for the money. It's for introducing the service so that you get a chance to see what it's about. And my bet is that you will not regret that you took the trial. Okay, so hope to see you. Have a good week. Bye now.